So here we have a little demo of my Raspberry Pi based telescope controller called TSC. So that's a few drives connected. The special thing is TSC spawns its own TCP/IP network, so it generates a WLAN. And here is a little prototype for a handbox that connects to that. For this purpose, I have here a setup with a ES32 explosive microcontroller and an OLED display. It's powered by a lithium polymer accu. The ES32 is now connected. And now we'll open up here a server. And now the two communicate with each other. So if I sync the mount, mode to start up, and the topical hour angle and declination is being displayed. Hard to see actually on that video. If I start a go-to, the estimated time of arrival is being displayed. If I terminate that again, going back to the normal operation mode, and if I'm taking exposure with the DSLR release mechanism of TSC, then the actual exposure time is also being displayed. That's it.